In Onshape, you can define set datums as part of model-based definition. I'm going to do that for a part in a part studio that I created in some other tutorials. If you take a look at the parts list, there are 3 different parts in this part studio. I'm going to do it for the engine block. And so when I first go over to the inspection table, there are no models with model definitions because I need to add tolerances to sketch dimensions and feature parameters first. Let's collapse the inspection table. I'm going to pick a real easy feature to work with. We have the bore hole cut. Let me right mouse click and hold, and I can edit the sketch that this was based off. Here is a dimension. I will double click on it. And then I can add tolerance options to it. Let me expand and let's see for the tolerances. Let's define deviation and it'll be -0 and let's just give it +2. So that is good. Let me hit the check mark to complete out of here. Everything rebuilds. And now I am going to access my inspection table again. Hey, I've got different dimensions in here, but I have no datums. So let's see, let's isolate the active part that we are taking a look at, just so I don't see anything else. I'm going to collapse the feature list as well. And now I can start defining my different datums. And for my A datum, let me revolve around and zoom in on the other side. I'm going to use that big flat surface on the back of the model. To create a datum, you click on this button, and then I will select the surface, and then drag out the datum where I want it to appear. That is good for that one. And let's see, for the B datum, let's grab this cylindrical surface. And then, where's that B datum going? There it is, out there to the side. That is good. And for the C datum, let's select this surface and drag it up. And that should be enough to eliminate all the different degrees of freedom. And those are the surfaces that I want to use. While I'm here, I'm going to add some geometric tolerances to define those different datums. So let's see, let's go to our geometric tolerance. And let's see, let's define our flatness. It's right over here. This one should not have a datum, so let me remove it from the list. And I'll just leave the default value for now, and then drag this out. That is good for that one. And let's see, for the cylindrical surface, I want to do a perpendicular. Let's do perpendicular to A. And let's see, yeah, let's pick the cylindrical surface and then drag it out. And let's see, let's do one more. Let's do perpendicular to A and B for this surface. Pick that, drag it up over here, and then hit the check mark. And so in that way, I have defined my different datums and some geometric tolerances in order to qualify those different ones. That looks great. And so that is how you can add datums to your model-based definition for parts in your part studio.